We all know mutual fund investments are good for long term, and also it is important to know when to withdraw money from mutual fund investments. Today in this video I am going to discuss about 3 important rules you have to follow when you withdraw money from mutual fund investments. This is Ram Charan. Welcome to my channel Ram Money. If you have not subscribed to my channel, click on subscribe button. For frequent notification, click on bell icon. Rule number 1. Always invest with specific goal in mind. Always withdraw money when you reach the goal. It is very easy to say, but it is difficult to follow. Let's say someone is investing for his kid's education. He needs around 25 lakhs within 10 years for kids' higher education. So he starts investing in SIP or a lump sum, assuming a rate of return of 12%. What happens? Instead of getting 12%, he got a return of 16%. So still, once you reach the goal, don't stay in a volatile asset like equity mutual fund. Once you reach the goal, move it to safer avenues like debt funds or FDs or liquid fund. Rule number 2. In this rule number 2, we'll talk about if you have not reached the goal, what you have to do. So still you have to withdraw money before 2 or 3 years of reach of your goal. I am going to give an example. All Bangaloreans know about Nice Road. Nice Road starts from Hosur Road and ends at Tumkur Road. So once you start your journey from Hosur Road to reach Tumkur Road, what you will do? Once you start the journey, you will use the fast line. Assume it as an equity fund. There is one more line is there, that is the slow line, that is at the extreme left side. So assume it as debt fund. So your target is Tumkur Road. Assume it as a liquid fund or your target amount. So what happens when you start your journey? You start with 80 kilometers per hour speed. So to exit at Tumkur Road, you have 2 options. One is option 1. You go 80 kilometers speed and immediately take a left turn when the Tumkur Road comes. Or the option 2. Slowly 2, 3, 4 kilometers before you go to the extreme left side and you slow down your vehicle and take a left turn. So obviously you will use option 2 because in option 1 there is a chances of accident. So same strategy you have to apply for your equity mutual fund investments here. So 2 years before you reach the goal, just move small amount of money to debt funds, and once don't wait till end of the goal, that is 10th year, don't wait. You don't know due to market correction what may happen on that day. So it should not affect your kids' education or if you are investing for marriage, don't wait till the last day. Okay, 2-3 years you have to withdraw and slowly small amount of money you have to move it to debt or liquid funds. John Templeton has quoted, "Bull market is born on pessimism, grow on skepticism, mature on optimism, and die on euphoria." You have to identify when a market is at euphoric condition. So somebody who has not invested in equities, they are all investing and all are surrounding in, you have to observe your surroundings. everyone is talking about equity market, investing lot of money in equity market and making lot of profit in equities, then you have to think of selling. And after observing the surroundings, and also you have to know some of the technical parameters like PE ratio, PB ratio, market cap to GDP ratio. If all these parameters are more than the average, then also you have to think of selling your equity mutual fund. So friends, investment or making money is not your destination. Investment and money is a tool to reach your goal. That goal may be your kids' education, or your kids' marriage, or your safe and peaceful retirement. So when you start investing for these goals, you should know when to exit from your mutual fund investments. So I am following all these 3 rules to withdraw money from my portfolio. If you find this is logical, you can also use these rules to withdraw money from your investment portfolio. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please share the video. Thank you.